Okay, so here's the three that I'm going to use. This one, and this one. So I'm going to start with the largest one first. Spray my hair with the little mister. Just make sure it's straight. And I start at the base of the rod, and then I just roll up like a spiral. And roll down and up. Okay, here's the medium size one. Spray it again. The bottom. I could have rolled that one a little better, but down and up. And then here is the last one, the smallest one. It has a little uneven at the top, so I gotta grab it as I go up. And I hope that helps.